All right, I wanted to show you how to format your output when you're dealing with integers as well. I have a video on doing floats where you can align the decimal points. When you're working with integers, it works pretty much the same way. So in your format string, between the percent and the D, since we're dealing with integers here, I've just got 12 random integers defined and I just print them all out. I print 3 with space and then a new line, 3 more, and so on. So without specifying anything, when I run this, you can see the output isn't lined up very well. All the numbers printed and they're different sizes, and just one space is put in between each one. That might be tempting initially, when first time you're doing something like this, to calculate the size of the number and then add the appropriate number of spaces, but the formatting string in C does that for you. So if we were to set, let's see, our biggest number is 5 digits long. So if we go through and just add a 5 between the percent and the D, that tells the format string I want this integer to take up 5 spaces regardless of how many it actually takes. So I'm going to put 5 in each of these. And now in the output you can see everything is right aligned. So if the number didn't need 5 digits, spaces were added before. If it was 5 digits, it took up the full 5. If there was only 1 digit, it added 4 extra spaces each time. Another thing you can do with this is zero fill, so it fills with zeros beforehand. Let's just show you what that looks like. You just put a 0 before the 5, or whatever your width is. And so now in the output you see, instead of leading leading spaces, you have leading zeros in the numbers, and they're all exactly 5 digits wide.